Example for practice. Children, we will solve some problems today. Example 1. Teacher gave Rohit, Subhash and Madhav 36 bindis to stick on a piece of paper. She asked them to put an equal number of bindis in each row and then to count how many rows were formed. Rohit's work. Rohit said, I stick 6 bindis in one row, so I got 6 rows. It means 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. No bindi remained. Subhash's work. Subhash said, I stick 4 bindis in one row, so I got 9 rows. It means 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. No bindi remained. Madhav's work. Madhav said, I stick 5 bindis in one row, so I got 7 rows and 1 bindi remained. Now you have to form rows of 8 bindis each using 36 bindis. We stick 8 bindis in one row, so we have 4 rows and 4 bindis are left. Example 2. Grandfather bought a packet of sweets and asked Rasik, Rohan and Ramesh to share them equally.
First of all, we will count these sweets. I will count them. There are 58 sweets in all. Shall we distribute one sweet at a time? But this will take too long. Let us distribute 10 sweets each first. 10 sweets each for 3 of us means 30 sweets have been distributed. 58 minus 30 is equal to 28 sweets remain now. Of these 28, let us distribute 9 sweets each to the 3 of us. 9 threes are 27 and 1 sweet will be left. See, 28 minus 27 is equal to 1 sweet remains. This means that everyone will have 10 plus 9 is equal to 19 sweets and 1 sweet will remain. Grandfather, you take this 1 sweet so there will be no fights amongst us.
That's right. You have carried all the divisions very well. But when we want to divide a big number, it is better to use an arrangement to do division. Suppose you want to carry out the division 58 divided by 3. How can you do it? Here, in this division, 58 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. First of all, we will divide the 5 tens. Let us see if we have 5 in the table of 3. If not, let us see if there is a smaller number than 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, but 6 is bigger than 5. This means we can divide by 3 ones, so I will write 1 in the quotient above this line. 3 tens are subtracted from 5 tens, 2 tens remained. Now we will take 8 units here. So we have 28 units here. 28 is not found in 3 times table, but 27 is closest and smaller than 28 and found in 3 times table. 3 nines are 27, so we will write 9 in the quotient. We will subtract 27 from 28. 28 minus 27 is equal to 1, so the quotient is 19 and the remainder is 1. If we carry out the division in this arrangement, we can divide big numbers easily.